Hey guys, Huju here. Well, it's winter time. It's February, mild winter, but it's still winter. So there's obviously no outside RC flying, at least for me up here in my neck of the woods. So we're flying the little blade Inductrix inside the house during the winter. If it's a really good day, a good mild winter day, I might try to take it outside once in a while. This is one I had from last year. It's the original blade Inductrix. This is my new acquisition. It is the Blade FPV Plus, or the Inductrix. I can't even say that. Inductrix FPV Plus. So it's just a little bit bigger than the original in size. A little more weight, a little more power. This one enables me to go outside where this one does not. So it's brand new. We're flying this one today in the house because I filmed the flying part before I did this section right here. It's already been done. My intention was to do what I told you. I was going to fly outside the house and back in the other door and then do some around the living room and then down in the basement stairs. My problem is I'm not that good with this thing yet. I'm not like these racers. I don't fly these things normally. I usually fly RC airplanes. So I have to kind of putter around and go slowly with this and sneak through little passageways, but very slowly. I can't do this stuff at full speed. So I did have a couple issues. I dropped it in the snow a couple times. I had to go out and get it. So the video is going to be edited to shorten it out because the camera ran for so long while I was running around trying to get it. And I ended up finishing that video later this evening, the inside the house part. Alright, widescreen TV. FPV setup for the TV monitor. There we are. Outside in the yard. Oh, not quite. Around here. Front yard or the driveway. Truck. Wife's car. Shed. I'll try to sneak into the house.
You suck!
So what is the bigger one that you got?
That's Joel's.
Yeah, I thought he gave it to you. Oh,
Well, I don't know if he actually gave it to me, but that's his.
I took Minda's.
No. Down into the basement. This is the basement. wood stove, weight bench, airplane rack. It's my RC airplane rack. Go back this way. Airplanes hanging from the ceiling. Around the basement again. Other way maybe. Sit on the table. Now let's try to come back upstairs. Oh, isn't that great? That's my P51 straight up, and further ahead is the Dynamoaco hanging upside down. Back upstairs, into the kitchen. Whoop, losing power, let's get up high. Back into the living room, around my head. Maybe we'll land over my shoulder. Back into the kitchen, maybe. Try to land right back on the table again. Right where we started. Not quite there. Alright, let's do the yes, meow mode. Alright, at least we're back where we started. You saw that was on the widescreen TV. And the way I did that was with this little gadget right here. This is the RC832 receiver. It's just like the receiver you'd have inside of your goggles, or just like the receiver that, just like the 4x3 screen receiver that comes with some of the kits and the remote control transmitters. The difference with this one is it has a jack on the back for the 28 volt, I work on airplanes, so I use a lot of 28 volts. For the 12 volt DC input, you can either connect it to a battery, or, as I do, upstairs I have a jack that goes in here and it goes to an adapter that plugs into the house outlet wall. So this thing stays powered. And then the other plug is for your video out. It takes a video signal that this thing receives, and it's just like an old stereo or an old VHS type of video cable. It goes to a red and white plug jack, and it plugs into the back of your television. So as long as you have the same channel here selected as your Inductrix is transmitting out, you'll have a clear signal as you saw on the television. This is the box that the red one comes in. You can get the full kit that has the transmitter controller, with the joysticks and the video monitor for whatever the cost is, or you can just get the Inductrix quad itself for like 59 bucks. I think I paid $59 for it. And that's what I ended up doing, so I can use my DX8 on it, and I can use this video to the television for my FPV.